Good afternoon, everyone. This is my vlog for my journey week 13. So for this week, we have a regional conference for our course in Iligan City, and that is good for 3 days and 2 nights. And our group did not meet yet also, and our CP subordinates are still doing their part for coding and programming, and the design map layout and its team are also in progress. And I only contributed some tasks for our assignments to be finished. It was a hard time meeting each other. We plan to have a meeting next week and we can together work independently with regards to our task. And further, we decided to consult our project to our instructor since we were reminded last time, and realized that our team must go forward despite of all imperfections that we got, and we are discouraged for some comments of our instructor, and we are reminded to do good in the next pitching presentation. And that's all.